Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin by inserting a Class 10 micro SD card rated 16 to 128 GB into the slot. Format the card FAT32 using the dash cam menu before recording. Clean the windshield where you will mount the camera for an unobstructed view. Position the camera approximately 3-5 inches below the rearview mirror and level it with the horizon. Route the power cable along the headliner and tuck it into the A-pillar trim. Plug the 12V adapter into the cigarette socket and verify the dash cam powers on. Access the settings to set video resolution to 1080p at 30 frames per second for balanced quality. Select loop recording and choose 1, 3, or 5-minute segments to control file sizes. Turn on the G-sensor and set sensitivity to medium to lock files on impact. Enable parking mode to record motion while parked, but use a hardwire kit to avoid draining the battery. Adjust exposure or WDR if footage is too dark or blown out in highlight. Open the QCY-Cam app and connect to the camera Wi-Fi to view live footage. Download incident clips to your phone, then back them up to a PC or external drive for safekeeping. Rename critical files using the date and time format to simplify searches and evidence handling. Update firmware through the app or by copying the update to the micro SD card when available. If the camera fails to boot or shows errors, reformat the card and test with a different Class 10 card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.